I want to talk a little bit about something that people widely feel is a strength of our school here at Rogers Park Montessori. And that's the notion that we are not just a school, but that we are a community. We see that community each and every day as the staff and faculty work to make families feel seen and known. We do that by greeting each child as they come through our doors and by helping them to their classrooms. At the beginning of each year, we ground our students in community by engaging them in a conversation about the norms by which they'll live in their classroom communities and helping them to understand the ways that we expect for them to treat one another. We also work to include each family in our school community by asking them to volunteer their time. And we really do feel that we're in this together, that we create our school and that we create an environment for our children through our collaborative efforts. At the end of the day, I do think that the thing that binds us together as a community is a shared love for children, both our own and those of our school community. And for that, I am incredibly thankful.